Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to host a Minecraft SMP that has data packs and mods completely for free. So let's get started. Before you progress into this video, you must be on the Google Cloud website in order to continue. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go onto it. Once you're on the website, click the Get Started for Free button if you want to create an account. The next step is to tap the Create an Account button in order to create the account. Make sure you press the For Myself button in order to make this a personal account. You will need to type in your first name, your last name, your username, your password, and your phone number in order to create the Google account. Once you're done setting up your Google account, agree to the Google Cloud Terms of Service. The last thing you will need to do is to set your account type to individual, type in your address, and type in your credit card number in order to activate the $300 credit. Once you're done creating your account, go to the navigation menu, then go to the Compute Engine, and then tap on the VM Instance button. Once you're on the VM Instance section, create a new instance. This would be the server. The next step is to give the server a name. I'm going to call my server Minecraft server. You would also need to locate which server the region would be in. I'm going to put my server in Montreal because that's the closest location. The next step is to specify what specs the server would have. I'm going to give the server 4 gigs of RAM and 2 CPU cores. However, if you're going to have more than 2 people on the server, I would recommend giving the server 8 gigabytes of RAM. Once you're done specifying the specs of the server, you will need to allow HTTP and HTTPS traffic. What this would do is it will allow you to use some plugins that are based off a website. The next step is to create a network tag. I'm going to call mine Minecraft. After that, you need to create an external IP. I'm going to call mine Minecraft server once again. Once you created the static IP, you can go ahead and create the server. The next step is we're going to need to open up one of the ports in the server in order for people to connect to it. To do this, you just tap the menu button and navigate for the firewall section. Once you're on it, click Create New Firewall. You will need to give the firewall a name. I'm going to call it Minecraft Server. The next step is to set targets to specific target tags and type in your server's network tag. Remember, we called it Minecraft Server. Once you have your target tag typed in, scroll down and type in which IPs can join your server. This would be the variety of IPs that can connect to your server. The last step is to open up the port 25565 for a TCP connection. That way, users can connect to the port 25565 using a TCP connection. You can now click the Create button, and now users will be able to join your Minecraft server. The last step is to install the Minecraft software onto the server. To do this, we would first need to connect to the server by pressing the SSH button. The first thing we need to do is we need to give the terminal administrator access. To do this, we type in sudo su. This will give administrator access to all the commands typed in on the terminal. The next step is to create a folder where all of the Minecraft software will be located. I'm going to call it Minecraft server. In order to open the directory, you must type in cd Minecraft. Before we start installing any software, we should first type in apt-get update and apt-get upgrade. This would basically update the packages and the repositories in the system. The first thing we need to install is Java. To do this, we need to type in apt-get install default JRE. We need Java in order to run the Minecraft server. The last 3 pieces of software that we need is Screen, which allows you to run multiple terminals at once, Unzip, which allows you to unzip files, and wget, which allows you to download files on the internet. We need these in order to set up the Minecraft server. Now we can finally start installing the Minecraft server. To do this, we will need to go on Google and type in MC versions. Then you will pick which version of Minecraft you would like to install. Once you have your Minecraft version installed, go to the file and copy the link address. We will need this link address in order to install the file onto the server. The command that we're going to use is wget, and then we're going to paste in the link that we just copied. This would install the Minecraft version onto the directory that we're in. Next, we're going to type in the command that will start up the server. The numbers next to the XMS basically represents how much RAM will be allocated to the Minecraft server. If we try writing this command, it will not work because we need to agree to the EULA. To do this, we will need to locate the EULA text file and open it up using Vim. Once you're on the text file, use your arrow keys and try moving the outline down to the EULA false line. Once you're on it, replace the false with true. This would basically allow the Minecraft server to run. Before we start up the server, I would recommend you to open up the server properties text file and basically go over it and change anything you do not like. For example, if you want the server to be on hard mode, you can do that through the server properties. The last thing we have to do is we have to just paste in the command we typed in before onto the terminal. If you want to connect to the server, you just need to type in the IP address of the server you created and then tap the join server button. In order to install data packs, you need to open up the data pack directory. Then you will need to use the wget command and paste in the link your data pack is from. If you want to install mods, the process is pretty much the same thing compared to installing data packs. Just the only difference is that you have to make a directory named mods, and that's basically it. You just go on the directory and use the wget command to install your mod.